10 daily English phrases that native speakers use but textbooks don't teach. Hello and welcome back. I'm really glad you're here because today we're diving into a topic that honestly highlights one of the biggest gaps between textbook English and real-life English. If you've been learning from grammar books, apps, or classroom lessons, you've probably picked up phrases like, "How are you today?" or "I am very tired." And sure, those are fine. But let me ask you something. When was the last time you heard a native English speaker say, "I am very tired," in a real conversation? Exactly. We don't talk like that. Instead, we say things like, "I'm beat," "I'm wiped," or even, "I'm dead." These are real, expressive, and way more natural. So, if you want to sound fluent, confident, and actually connect with native speakers, you need to learn the phrases that people use in everyday life, not the robotic ones from grammar textbooks. Today, I'll walk you through 10 daily phrases that native speakers use constantly, but most textbooks completely ignore. I'll explain what each one means, when to use it, why it's important, and how you can actually use it in your life. Let's dive in. 1. I'm just messing with you. This is one of those phrases that makes people laugh and also makes them relax. I'm just messing with you means I'm only joking, or I didn't mean that seriously. It's something you say after teasing a friend or pretending something for fun. For example, imagine your friend tells you, "Hey, the teacher canceled class today." You get excited, and then they laugh and say, "Nah, I'm just messing with you." That lets you know they were joking. This phrase is really helpful in building friendly relationships. People love to joke around, and if you don't know how to signal that it's a joke, things can get awkward. So next time you're teasing a friend, maybe about their cooking or their fashion, just smile and say, "Don't worry, I'm just messing with you." It shows warmth, humor, and emotional intelligence. 2. I'm starving. Sure, you've probably said "I'm hungry" before, but when native speakers are really hungry, they say, "I'm starving." It doesn't literally mean you haven't eaten in days. It just expresses that you're very, very hungry. It's a great way to exaggerate in a funny, casual, and emotional way. Imagine you skipped breakfast and lunch. It's 6 p.m. and you walk into the kitchen. You say, "Oh man, I'm starving." It's dramatic, but that's the point. You can also hear people say, "I could eat a horse," or "I'm dying of hunger." These exaggerated expressions make your English sound more alive and more connected to how people really feel. So, next time your stomach's growling, say, "I'm starving," and people will get it instantly. 3. I'm down. Now, this one might be confusing because "I'm down" doesn't mean you're sad. Not in this case. In casual conversation, "I'm down" means I'm in, I agree, or I'd love to do that. Let's say your friend asks, "Want to grab pizza later?" And you say, "Yeah, I'm down." That's a green light, a positive, friendly way to say yes. This is a great example of how context matters, because in other situations, "I'm feeling down" could mean sad. But when you're making plans or saying yes to an idea, "I'm down" just means you're in. It's short, cool, and confident, and it's way more natural than saying, "Yes, I would like to go." 4. No biggie. This one's all about keeping things light. No biggie is short for no big deal, and it means it's okay, don't worry about it, or it's not a problem. Let's say your friend accidentally steps on your shoes and goes, "Oh, I'm so sorry." You can just smile and say, "No biggie." It helps take the pressure off. It shows that you're not upset, and that the mistake or situation isn't a big deal. You can also say it when someone's late or forgets to text you back, like, "No biggie, I know you're busy." It's a small phrase, but it communicates a lot of kindness, forgiveness, and emotional maturity. 5. I'm dead. All right, this one's become super popular, especially online. When someone says, "I'm dead," they don't mean they're actually dead. They mean, "That was so funny, I'm dying laughing." You'll see it on social media a lot, like someone watches a funny video and comments, "I'm dead." But we also say it in real life. Like, your friend makes a hilarious joke, and you just say, "Bro, I'm dead." It's expressive, playful, and helps show a real emotional reaction. And that's the key. Fluent English isn't just about words, it's about feeling. "I'm dead" adds drama in a funny way. Use it when you want to react with laughter, especially in casual conversations. 6. Can't be bothered. This is such a useful, low-energy phrase, especially when you don't feel like doing something. "I can't be bothered" means, "I don't have the energy or motivation right now." It's great for when you're feeling lazy, tired, or just not interested. For example, it's raining, it's cold, and your friend says, "Want to go for a walk?" You groan and say, "Ugh, I can't be bothered." It's honest, but not rude. It's just a soft, funny way to say, "Not today." You can also use it jokingly, like, "I should clean my room, but I just can't be bothered." It's relatable and helps you sound more natural in everyday conversation. 7. Hit me up. Want to sound friendly and approachable? Use "hit me up." This means call me, text me, or reach out if you need something. It's informal, but super common. Let's say someone says, "We should hang out sometime." You respond, "Yeah, for sure. Hit me up." It's warm, open, and casual, the kind of thing you say to a friend, or even a new acquaintance, to show that you're interested in keeping in touch. You can also use it when offering help, like, "If you have any questions, hit me up." It makes you sound chill and easy to talk to. 8. That's legit. This one's all about giving respect. When something is cool, impressive, or real, we say, "That's legit." Your friend bakes a cake from scratch, and it's amazing. You say, "Yo, that's legit." Someone shows you a video of them skateboarding, and they land a trick. You say, "Man, that's legit." It's a compliment. It means, "That's real," "That's high quality," or "I'm impressed." It's short, sharp, and very modern. Use it to show appreciation, especially when you want to sound relaxed but sincere. 9. I'm not feeling it. This is the perfect phrase for gently rejecting something without sounding rude. When you say, "I'm not feeling it," You're saying, I'm not in the mood, or this isn't really my vibe. Your friend says, want to go to that party? And you say, I'm not really feeling it tonight. It's soft, it's polite, and it's honest. You can use it for anything, a movie, a meal, even a person. It's great because it allows you to set a boundary without being negative or cold. And that's a huge part of sounding emotionally intelligent in English. 10. That's sketchy. And finally, we've got, that's sketchy. This phrase is all about instinct. When something feels wrong, unsafe, or suspicious, we say, that's sketchy. You're walking through a dark, empty area, you say, this place feels sketchy. Someone tells you they met a person online who asked for their bank info, and you say, that's super sketchy, stay away. It's informal, but really important. It helps you express warning, doubt, or mistrust in a way that's natural and clear. Use it when your gut says, something's not right here. Final thoughts, and that's it. 10 daily, natural, emotionally expressive English phrases that native speakers use all the time, but most textbooks completely ignore. These are the kind of expressions that make your English sound alive, human, and real. They help you connect, not just speak. They help you express emotion, not just grammar. So don't be afraid to use them. Try them in your conversations, in your texts, and in your daily life. Thanks so much for listening. I appreciate you. And if this helped you, hit me up and let me know. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care and stay awesome.